In this video, we're going to learn how to set up WordPress on a AWS EC2 instance. Alright, so let's get started setting up a WordPress site in AWS EC2. I am logged into my console. Let's make sure, I'm going to select the North Virginia region. And I'm going to go to EC2. If you don't have EC2 here on your home, you can find it under Services, Compute, and then EC2. And we're going to go to Launch Instances. And we have some pre-made images we can pick from. I'm going to search for WordPress. And we have quite a few results here. I'm going to go into the marketplace, and at the top of the list is Bitnami, which is arguably the most popular image. There are others available if you want to go with them, but in this case we're going to select Bitnami. And it's reviewing the sizes of your instances and how much they're going to cost. I'm just going to go continue here. And my website's pretty small. It'll show you how many CPUs, how much memory each instance has. Mine's very small again. I'm just going to go with the free tier eligible micro one. And I'm going to go to next. It's usually not very much you need to configure here unless you are deep into the complexities of networking. But for most cases, you just leave the screen alone. We're going to go to add storage. Now, if you have a lot of files, if you're going to be dealing with a lot of images or video on your WordPress site, you might want to increase. But typically 10 gigabytes is pretty, that's pretty decent. I'm going to go to review and launch. And it sums everything up. I'm just going to go to launch. I'm feeling good with this. Now, this is very important. If you need to, there's some point somebody or yourself is going to need to get into that server. They're going to need to log into it via terminal or upload files via FTP. In order for you to do that, you must download the pair key. I already have an existing one because I have accounts, I have servers that I already use, but if you haven't been in here before, you can create a new pair key. I'm going to name it my WP site and download it, and I'm going to put it in a safe place because if I lose it, I will not be able to get back in. I won't be able to get in my server. So now we're ready to launch instances. And this could take a few minutes. And we'll just let it do its thing. Alright, still working on it. We can select this and it'll take us back out to our list of instances. And we'll see that it's still initializing. We'll wait for it to stop saying initializing before we do anything else. Alright, I'm going to refresh the screen and we see it's no longer initializing. Our WordPress server is ready to go. I'm going to go in here and it gave us a public IP address. That's what we can use to get to our site. We're going to open the address and we don't have a certificate installed. But if you go there, it's you see it's our WordPress blog is ready to go. Now we want to go to WP admin, and let's say I want to administer it. There's, how do I know the username and password? Well, Bitnami will give that to you. If we go to Actions, Monitor and Troubleshoot, I'm going to go to Get System Log, and we can look in here for this box, and it tells us that the user is user, that's the username, and then this is the password. So I'm going to copy that. I'm going to go back over here. Our username is user. Paste that password in and log in. And we are now logged into our WordPress website running on AWS EC2. And that's it. I hope this video has helped you out, and please like and subscribe for more WordPress and webmaster tips like this. And thanks for watching.